Let's talk about making money online. And I want us to talk about making money online in the realm of how best can you go about making money online. In this video, I'm going to share with you some ways and also go a bit in details to explain to you, to give you pointers with regards to how best you can get started, and even so, how best you can optimize making money online through some of these ways I'm going to discuss. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily TV. My name is Afagza Sifuna. Making money online is one of the most rewarding ways through which a person out there can earn a living. And I'm saying so because it has its own advantages. For example, you working from the comfort of your home, you working remotely. Even for example, in case you're passionate about traveling, you can be out there traveling and also making money. That is how awesome it is, because with the internet era, there are no bounds with regards to the reach you can get, and even so, what time you can go about making money. That's so because even guys, you can make money round the clock, different time zones. But also, you need to be quite choosy with regards to how best you can make money online, and even so, have a method. And with that, the very first way you can make money online, and even so it is a way which hasn't yet reached its maximum potential, is by you creating content. Guys, content creation has money. No question about it. For example, you creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, in essence, whichever social media platform out there, in case we're talking about videos or even short content, and even you creating content on websites out there, in essence, you blogging, has money. By the way, you need to understand that actually you won't right away start making money. But if you are persistent, you are professional, and actually you out there putting good content out for people to watch, for people to read, be sure in no time you're going to start making money. And by the way, in content creation, the real juice is not really in the advert money, which, for example, Google AdSense out there is going to pay you. The real juice is in you, for example, locking in promotion, you locking in advertisement from individuals and companies out there, you making money through other ways, like for example, affiliate marketing, you name it. Guys, there is money in content creation. Just start today. Be passionate about it. Be consistent, because also it is a learning journey. And in no time, you're going to be able to start making awesome amount of money. Okay? And then the second way which you can actually make money online, and even I've alluded to it, is through you optimizing your content for affiliate marketing. What do I mean? Some time back, I was actually studying some case whereby there's a content creator out there who actually created content right from the onset with the idea of optimizing for affiliate marketing. In other words, you could know, for example, there is an affiliate program out there. There is a company which has very lucrative affiliate marketing contract. You could, for example, start creating content around a particular niche down very completely, and also go very hard on it. And guys, once you build an audience, you gotta have an authority in a particular content area. That's when you can start looping in your audience to the affiliate product. To give you an example, maybe there is a trading platform out there which you've used, it is very good, it has an affiliate program. Why not start content solely focused on that particular kind of product? Maybe trading of stocks, maybe trading of cryptocurrencies. And then once you start growing an audience, think about now how to introduce affiliate marketing, affiliate program to your audience. And by the way, for most creators out there, for example, when you go to the video description, they usually have affiliate links, maybe for the cameras they are using, maybe for the microphone they are using. But yours is bound to be unique, because beyond you just having affiliate links down in the description section, you can also be having verbal call to action. For example, telling your audience the advantages of using a given product, maybe the benefits of using a given stock trading application, stock trading website out there. And also it's going to be something which you're gonna have proof because you've used over and over. And another advantage is that actually, guys, it's gonna be squarely at the center of the content you are creating. So you can optimize content right from the onset for affiliate program. And by that, it can be a very, very big cash cow for you. And then the third way through which you can make money online, more so big money, is by you creating and selling digital products. What do I mean? When we're talking about digital products, we are talking about things like, for example, courses out there. Things like, for example, you creating master classes out there. Things like, for example, you selling your own designs and so forth. If you have a unique product, create, guys, package it very well, and then sell it online. And I'm saying so because most of the times, the model which you're going to be selling it at is actually a lease agreement. And that means that actually you can sell the same product to thousands of people out there. We are talking about you being able to create and actually make big money through you selling digital products. The kind of products which can even give you upwards of $1 million in 1 year. As long as your product is good and also you have used the best of channels out there to push it to the market. Guys, you can be able to make money off your digital product for quite a long period of time. And by the way, it only took you a given single block of time for you to create it, and yet its utility is by thousands or even hundreds of thousands of people out there. Digital products also have money. And then the fourth way through which you can also tap into online money is by you creating a digital agency which assists with different online issues out there. For example, social media management. For example, creating an audience. For example, consulting on SEO. Guys, you can create a social agency out there which is focused on actually supporting creators. If you do that, be sure you can also build a very, very big cash cow for you. Of course, for a start, it won't be easy because you need to prove yourself. You need to get clients. That's gonna tell you that actually you're gonna start even by looping in some creators for you to show proof of concept. But then once the utility is proven, be sure you can be able to make awesome amount of money. This particular way is not directly related to you doing gigs out there which give you money online, rather you supporting the online economy, supporting creators be able to optimize their processes, be able to streamline their production, be able to access the market. And by that, you can also be able to tap into the big money which is online. And then the last way through which you can also make money online is you using free goodies or even so free services to build a given platform or even proof a concept. What do I mean? Most of the times when you are starting something out there, to give you an example, maybe you can say you are starting a website which assists with search engine optimization, maybe which assists with keyword search, you name it. It could be whichever solution out there. You getting it right off the bat is not easy per se, but you can look, for example, to give free goodies out there, maybe to those small to mid-level influencers online who can benefit or enjoy the utility of particular product you put into the market, of a particular solution you are putting forth. And then once you've proven its service is actually effective, it is assisting them realize good results, be sure you can use that particular option to build your portfolio. For example, you worked with XYZ to assist them improve by a given percentage. And even so, these influencers themselves are going to be gracious enough to share what you are about, what your company is about, what your solution is about with their audiences out there. And that is one of the most formidable ways through which you can actually build an awesome business model which has proof of concept and even so has a very solid portfolio anchoring its allegations. Guys, what do you think about this video? Have you made money online beyond, for example, the typical cliches out there? Make money by doing surveys online, make money by you sharing links online and so forth. Guys, have you made money online? If you have, do you think the ideas I've shared with you are beneficial? Comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing down there. Cheers, guys, and you all have a nice day.